I'm Isin. I studied Cambridge International A-levels during high school at Beştepe College in Turkey. I did A-level physics, maths and chemistry, and right now I'm a third-year engineering student at Trinity College, University of Cambridge. During A-levels, I kind of felt like I started an interest in some lectures. That's how I wanted to become an engineer. So in the lectures, the contents are quite advanced, so you need to have a deep understanding of the content. So the more you understand the content, the more interested you become. Also, in the A-level course, they offer you a wide range of topics. So I think it's very helpful in choosing a subject and then carrying on that subject. So during the whole A-level course, you have to analyze data and think critically. So to give an example, in a chemistry experiment, you are given an experiment and you're given the apparatus and you're given a goal. And then you need to set up a method and then you need to move very systematically and you need to know what you need to do with the data. It really helps in the university as well because when we're doing research and working on projects or doing experiments, we use all those analytical thinking and data analysis skills quite a lot. So in the A-levels, the contents are quite advanced. When I just listened to the lecture, it was not enough, so I had to sit down and study independently and teach myself. So I think I gained that skill through the A-level course, and when I came to university, especially in the first year, so we have much more advanced lectures and we have less lectures. So you have to sit down and independently study all those and teach yourself. So it was wow, I'm really glad that I built that skill. During A-level physics, I remember a lecture where I was wow, this is quite fascinating. So when I had the same content as lectures in the university, I was oh, I remember this moment. And again, so happy and so fascinated. So I think being fascinated by the subjects that you studied in the A-levels really helps you to excel at the university as well, because you have the same lectures, just in a more advanced way. So I think A-level course is more than a background for the university life.